Beneath the surface of everyday commerce, a hidden world of meticulous precision and unparalleled security operates, transforming humble raw materials into the very lifeblood of a nation's economy. For centuries, money has transcended its role as a mere medium of exchange. It stands as a profound symbol of trust, a testament to advanced technological prowess, and a canvas for intricate artistry specifically designed to defy imitation. We handle it, spend it, and save it, often without a moment's thought to its complex origins, its arduous journey from basic components to the crisp bills in our pockets. But what if we could peel back the layers of secrecy, step beyond the heavily guarded perimeters, and witness the meticulous ballet of its creation? What if we could walk the very floors where the future of global transactions is literally printed, sheet by sheet, note by note, with unwavering dedication? Imagine a place where security is not just a priority, but an absolute imperative, where every single process is a carefully guarded secret, honed and perfected over generations to protect the inviolable integrity of a global reserve currency. This is far more than just a factory. It is a fortress of finance, a sophisticated crucible where the abstract concept of value takes on a tangible, physical form. From the precise moment the specialized paper arrives, already imbued with its own unique and inherent defenses, to the final, pristine stack of bills ready for secure circulation, every stage is a masterclass in advanced engineering, sophisticated chemistry, and unparalleled artistic precision. It's a world where cutting-edge optical systems meet time-honored engraving techniques, where digital automation of the highest order complements the indispensable vigilance of human expertise, ensuring perfection at every turn. This extraordinary journey will take us deep inside the very heart of American manufacturing excellence, into the highly secured facilities responsible for crafting the US dollar, a currency recognized, trusted, and relied upon across continents, underpinning countless economies and daily lives worldwide. We will unravel the intricate dance of state-of-the-art machinery and highly skilled human expertise, uncover the ingenious, multi-layered safeguards that make counterfeiting a near-impossible feat, and reveal the sheer, astonishing scale of an operation that underpins the economic stability and prosperity of millions. Prepare to discover the untold stories, the unseen hands, and the incredible, relentless ingenuity that goes into producing one of the world's most powerful, ubiquitous, and secure symbols. This is an exclusive invitation to peer into the hidden world behind everyday products, to understand the profound and meticulously guarded secrets embedded within every single bill you touch, transforming your perception of money forever. The US dollar, universally recognized and often simply referred to as the greenback, carries a monumental weight of history, innovation, and economic significance that extends far beyond its numerical value. Its iconic green hue, a direct legacy from the tumultuous Civil War era, was initially chosen not for aesthetic reasons, but as a pragmatic and robust anti-counterfeiting measure. At that time, green ink was not only readily available but also proved exceptionally difficult to photograph accurately in black and white, effectively thwarting the rudimentary photographic counterfeiting attempts of the period. This seemingly simple, yet strategically vital, color choice has remarkably persisted for over 150 years, becoming an indelible and globally recognized symbol synonymous with American currency. However, the dollar's true marvel lies not merely in its distinctive color, but in the intricate tapestry of hidden features, historical anecdotes, and technological advancements meticulously woven into its very fabric. Consider, for a moment, the extraordinary paper itself. It is not merely generic wood pulp. It is a highly specialized, proprietary blend composed of 75% cotton and 25% linen. This unique composition is meticulously engineered to impart a distinct tactile feel, an unparalleled crispness, and an exceptional durability that ordinary commercial paper simply cannot replicate. This resilient blend is so remarkably robust that a single dollar bill is capable of withstanding approximately 4,000 back and forth folds before showing significant signs of tearing or structural fatigue. This specialized substrate, a cornerstone of the dollar's security, is manufactured exclusively by Crane Currency in Dalton, Massachusetts, under the most stringent government contracts. Furthermore, this paper is intrinsically embedded with distinctive red and blue synthetic fibers, subtly visible to the naked eye, a crucial security feature that has been consistently present since 1929. These fibers are not randomly distributed. Their precise placement, specific composition, and unique properties are integral components of the dollar's sophisticated, multi-layered security architecture, making replication exceedingly difficult. Before the advent of sophisticated digital printing technologies, the art of engraving was paramount, representing the pinnacle of anti-counterfeiting efforts. The intricate, lifelike portraits and the meticulously detailed borders adorning US currency are not simply printed. They are painstakingly engraved from hardened steel plates. This is an arduous, time-consuming process that demands immense skill, unwavering patience, and absolute precision from master artisans. These master engravers dedicate years, often decades, to honing their craft, creating designs so incredibly fine, detailed, and complex that their accurate replication by unauthorized means is virtually impossible. The minute, almost imperceptible lines and dots, characteristic of intaglio printing, impart a distinctive raised, tactile quality to the currency. If you run your fingertip over a crisp, new bill, you will distinctly feel the subtle texture of the ink. This is not an accidental byproduct of the printing process. It is a deliberate and crucial security feature, designed to be felt as much as it is seen, providing an immediate and intuitive means of authentication. A truly fascinating, yet often overlooked, aspect of US currency is the significantly varying lifespan of different dollar denominations in active circulation. A $1 bill, being the most frequently used in daily transactions, typically endures for approximately 6.6 years before becoming too worn for circulation. A $5 bill has an average lifespan of about 4.7 years, a $10 bill 5.3 years, a $20 bill 7.8 years, a $50 bill 12.1 years, and, perhaps surprisingly, the $100 bill boasts the longest estimated lifespan at an impressive 15 years. This disparity in longevity is primarily attributed to the frequency of handling, the types of environments it encounters, and the cumulative physical wear and tear each denomination experiences. When a bill becomes excessively worn, torn, or damaged beyond acceptable standards, it is systematically identified and removed from circulation by the Federal Reserve. These condemned bills are then shredded, with the shredded material sometimes being ingeniously repurposed into various recycled products or even offered as unique, tangible souvenirs, providing a small piece of financial history to collectors. The ongoing evolution of anti-counterfeiting measures represents a sophisticated and continuous arms race, a relentless cat-and-mouse game between illicit operators seeking to defraud and the dedicated currency designers striving to protect the integrity of the nation's money. Early security features were relatively straightforward, relying heavily on the superior quality of the engraving and the unique properties of the paper. However, as counterfeiting technologies advanced in sophistication, so too did the protective features embedded within the currency. This relentless pursuit of enhanced security led to the progressive introduction of groundbreaking innovations such as intricate watermarks, embedded security threads, dynamic color-shifting inks, and microscopic microprinting. The security thread, for instance, is a thin, polymer strip embedded vertically within the paper, which glows a specific, distinct color under ultraviolet light, bearing the repeated text USA and the denomination. Crucially, each denomination features a unique thread color and a precise, distinct placement, serving as a rapid, effective, and easily verifiable authentication method for both the public and financial institutions. Microprinting, another exceptionally ingenious security feature, involves the printing of incredibly minute words or numbers that are virtually invisible to the naked eye but become clearly legible under magnification. On a $5 bill, for example, the phrase "The United States of America" is meticulously microprint along the borders of the portrait, and the words $5 can be found intricately placed within the large numeral 5 in the lower left corner. These minuscule details are exceedingly difficult for most counterfeiters to reproduce accurately, often appearing as a blurred or solid, indistinct line on fake bills, thus serving as a critical differentiator. The sheer complexity, the deliberate layering, and the seamless integration of these diverse and advanced security elements collectively establish the US dollar as one of the most secure, trusted, and globally resilient currencies in the entire international financial landscape, a true marvel of modern security engineering. The intricate journey of a US dollar bill commences long before it ever graces the precision rollers of a printing press. It begins with the meticulous sourcing and rigorous preparation of its raw materials, all of which must conform to the exceptionally exacting standards set by the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP. The single most critical component is the unique currency paper, a proprietary blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, supplied exclusively by Crane Currency, a partnership that has endured for over 2 centuries. This specialized paper arrives at the BEP facilities in substantial, uncut sheets, each already pre-embedded with foundational security features such as the distinctive red and blue synthetic fibers, and, for higher denominations, the crucial security thread and watermark. These sheets are far more than mere paper. They represent the very bedrock of the dollar's integrity, meticulously engineered for unparalleled durability, exceptional tactile feel, and formidable resistance to any attempts at counterfeiting or alteration. Upon their arrival, these highly specialized sheets undergo an exhaustive regimen of inspection. Quality control is not merely a step in the process, it is an omnipresent philosophy, an absolute imperative at every single stage, ensuring that the paper precisely conforms to stringent specifications for thickness, weight, tensile strength, and the exact positioning of all embedded security features. Any deviation, no matter how minor, could potentially compromise the integrity and security of the final product. Once meticulously approved, the sheets are carefully transferred to the first major stage of the manufacturing process, offset printing. This initial pass is responsible for applying the intricate background colors and complex designs that form the foundational, non-raised layer of the bill. Unlike the raised texture of intaglio printing, offset printing produces a flat image, yet it is absolutely crucial for establishing the elaborate patterns, fine lines, and subtle color gradients that are notoriously difficult for counterfeiters to replicate with any degree of accuracy. Large, high-speed presses operate with astonishing precision, applying multiple colors simultaneously across the vast sheets. Following the offset printing, the sheets then proceed to the intaglio printing stage, which is the defining characteristic and hallmark of US currency production. This is the phase where the distinctive raised texture and the exquisitely detailed portraits, vignettes, and intricate borders are applied. Masterfully engraved steel plates, painstakingly crafted by highly skilled artisans whose expertise is passed down through generations, are meticulously inked. Subsequently, immense pressure, often exceeding 20,000 pounds per square inch, is applied to transfer the ink deeply and permanently into the paper fibers. This unique process not only creates the iconic tactile feel that serves as a primary security feature, but also ensures the ink's exceptional permanence and resistance to fading or smudging. Each sheet passes through these powerful presses multiple times, allowing for the precise application of different colors and fine details, such as the vibrant green on the reverse side and the deep black on the obverse. This stage is characterized by its deliberate pace, incredible precision, and the seamless integration of time-honored craftsmanship with cutting-edge modern machinery, a true blend of art and industry. After the intaglio printing is complete, the sheets are carefully allowed to dry thoroughly in highly controlled environments, often for several days. This is a critical step, absolutely essential for preventing any smudging, ensuring the complete curing of the specialized inks, and guaranteeing the absolute permanence and vibrancy of the colors. They then advance to the numbering and sealing stage. Here, highly automated, high-speed machines precisely apply the unique serial numbers, the official Federal Reserve seal, and the Treasury seal to each individual note. These crucial identifiers are printed in a distinctive green ink, adding yet another layer of security and vital traceability. The serial numbers are indispensable for tracking currency circulation, for maintaining inventory, and for the swift identification of any counterfeit bills. Each large sheet, which typically yields 32 individual notes, is numbered sequentially, ensuring no gaps or duplicates in a vast production output. The subsequent phase involves precision cutting and meticulous stacking. State-of-the-art cutting machines slice the large printed sheets into perfectly sized individual notes with incredible accuracy, often to within 1/1000th of an inch, ensuring that each bill is uniform and free of any imperfections. As the bills are precisely cut, they are simultaneously stacked into neat bundles of 100 notes, which are officially known as straps. These straps are then further grouped into bricks containing 4,000 notes, and subsequently into larger bales comprising 400,000 notes. Throughout this entire cutting and stacking process, sophisticated automated optical inspection systems continuously scan every single note with microscopic detail, checking for any defects, misprints, color inconsistencies, or subtle anomalies. Any imperfect notes are immediately identified, flagged, and efficiently removed from the production line, guaranteeing that only flawless, high-quality currency proceeds to circulation. Finally, the meticulously inspected and perfectly packaged bales of currency are prepared for secure shipment. They are robustly packaged in tamper-evident containers and transported under the highest levels of security and armed guard to the 12 Federal Reserve banks strategically located across the country. From these regional banks, the freshly minted currency is then systematically distributed to commercial banks, seamlessly entering the vast and intricate network of the American economy. Safety and security are not merely considerations but absolute, non-negotiable imperatives at every single step, from the moment raw materials enter the highly secured facility to the final, secure delivery. The entire process is a tightly controlled, highly orchestrated operation, masterfully blending advanced robotics and sophisticated automation with the irreplaceable skill of human oversight and rigorous quality control, all working in perfect concert to produce a currency that is both supremely functional, aesthetically pleasing, and virtually unforgeable, a true marvel of industrial dedication. The extraordinary journey we've undertaken today, deep within the guarded heart of America's dollar factory, has unveiled a world far more intricate, ingenious, and profoundly secure than most could ever conceive. From the proprietary cotton linen blend paper, engineered for unparalleled durability, to the multi-layered security features like subtle watermarks, dynamic color-shifting inks, and microscopic microprinting, every single detail stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless, unwavering pursuit of perfection. We've witnessed firsthand how centuries-old engraving techniques seamlessly merge with cutting-edge automation, all meticulously orchestrated to create a currency that is not merely a medium of exchange, but a powerful global symbol of trust, stability, and economic prowess, a tangible representation of national confidence. But what about the other side of the global financial coin, or more accurately, the other side of the Atlantic? If the US dollar boasts such a rich and fascinating story of creation, imagine the profound secrets held within the formidable walls of Europe's own money-making powerhouses. How do they approach the critical aspects of security, the artistic nuances of design, and the sheer logistical scale of production for a currency that harmonizes the economies of an entire continent, representing the collective identity of diverse nations? What unique challenges, innovative solutions, and distinctive processes define the intricate creation of the euro, a currency that serves hundreds of millions? If you've been captivated by the meticulous precision and the hidden wonders behind the US dollar, then you absolutely will not want to miss our next immersive deep dive. Click on the video that has just appeared on your screen, Euro Printing Factory, inside Europe's secret money factory, full process. Join us as we embark on another extraordinary journey to uncover the fascinating parallels and the striking differences in the manufacturing of another global economic giant, exploring the engineering and artistry behind Europe's unified currency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive, behind-the-scenes looks inside the incredible factories that engineer and shape our modern world, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. We are always eager to hear your thoughts. What was the single most surprising or mind-blowing fact you learned about the US dollar today? Share your insights and comments below. We love reading them and engaging with your curiosity.